Okay guys, so we are going to run through how to do a network adjustment in Trimble Business Center. First thing you're going to want to do is create a new project and set it to US survey foot. And you can set that to default so it does that every time. After that, you're going to want to bring in your job file. Um, what I do is I just open up the J drive or your data collector and I drag and drop the file straight from there right into TBC. I slowed this video down a little bit so that it was a little easier to follow. What I do is I bring in the Trimble Map satellite view. I think if you've been out to the job, it's a little easier to follow and see where you've been. You can kind of see where your control points are and know that that's where you're at. You want to turn that off before you save the file. It just makes it a little quicker to open up after the fact. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to set your base point to control quality. In this particular job, I already had a base point, but if you're using VRS, you're going to want to use the ODOT Core's base station point. So you open up your Project Explorer and you're going to want to click on the global in the drop down for your base point. In this example, my base point is number 1. And you're going to want to check control quality for the top 2. You don't want to do height, just so that you can change your elevations later if you need to. Then you'll go up to your survey tab and go all the way over to the right to merge points. And you're going to select your redundant observations. So each one of these 15 points is the same point, just shot multiple times the different point number. And then you're going to change your point ID to whatever you want your final product to be. And after that, you'll go and you'll right click and include all. And just check to make sure that your redundant shots are within reason. You don't want anything like 2/10 or anything out. You want to make sure that they're all pretty close. And you'll do that for each point that you want to merge together. In this one, I only have 2 because I was setting control for this job, but on a VRS boundary, you'll have a lot more. We'll include all, hit apply, and it just merges all those shots into one point. After you merge all your points, you want to go up to Adjust Network in the Survey tab and click on that. Then click on the 2D. You don't want to do your elevation on this either. That way you can adjust your elevation later. And just hit Adjust. And see if this chi-squares test failed. That's okay. You want to go to your weighting and hit the little asterisk in between the RTK vectors, and it'll reweight that, and you'll hit adjust again to readjust your network adjustment. And go back up to results, and you'll see that the chi-square test passed this time. For that, you'll hit OK. And then you'll see your ellipses on the 2 points, in this case, the 2 points that have been included in the network adjustment. And that you have your final product point numbers.